Listen up, legends. Life's got walls. Grab your metaphorical sledgehammer and obliterate them. Don't tiptoe around barriers. Demolish them with the fury of 1,000 storms. The world doesn't hand trophies to the timid. It rewards the maniacs who refuse to bow. You're not here to politely ask for permission. You're here to bulldoze, to claim, to own every inch with ferocious intent. Every obstacle is just a dare from the universe. So crash through, laugh in the face of resistance, and leave nothing standing but your legacy. Make the impossible beg for mercy.